is increased by, let's say 20%, and then it is decreased by 20%, find percentage change in his salary. So just if we read the question, we feel that as it is increasing by 20% first and then it is decreasing by 20%, we feel that there will be no percentage change, but there is a concept called as base change or change of base. So how does that work? Let me take, here we don't know what is the actual salary of A, so I will try to assume it as 100. If the salary of A is 100, now it is increased by 20%. So 20% of 100 is 20. If it is increased by 20, this will become 120. Now again, I need to decrease this by 20%. Now when I am decreasing it by 20%, it is not the 20% of 100, but it's the 20% of 120. Now the base, for this 20%, the base was 100, but for this 20%, the base is 120. So base is 120, so 10% of 120 is 12, so 20% will be 24. Now if I decrease this 24 is still the 20%, but this is 20% of 120. If I subtract this, then I will be getting 96. Now initial salary of A was 100 and final salary is 96. Now if I compare, as the base here is 100 already, I can say that it is decreasing it by 4%. So answer for this question is 4% decrease. But when you are increasing something by X% and again decreasing it by X%, or let me try one more question. What happens if I decrease by 20% first and then if I increase by 20%? Suppose again I will take the same example of 100 rupees. So let me consider the salary of A as 100. Then when I am decreasing it by 20%, so it is 20% of 100, which is 20 itself. If I decrease this 20, I will be getting 80. Now I need to increase this by 20%, but now the base changes from 100 to 80. I need to calculate 20% of 80. As we see here, the 10% of 80 is 8, so 20% will be 16. Now 20% of 18 is 60, 80 is 16, so I need to increase this by 16, which is equal to 96. And if we observe, we are again getting the same answer, that is 4% decrease, which means if we increase it first and then decrease, or decrease it first and then increase, the answer will not change. Let me try to get the answer for one.